Find a comfortable position. Adjust your body, release your shoulders, relax your jaw. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Once again, inhale deeply and exhale gently. Let your eyes close softly. For the next few minutes, this moment is yours. Allow yourself to relax, breathe, and simply feel.
Now, imagine a path in front of you. A calm, quiet path leading to a special place created just for you. With each step, you feel lighter, more present, more connected to your body and your senses.
Now, you arrive at a beach at the end of the day. The sun is slowly descending, and the golden light touches everything around you. Feel the fresh air. Listen to the sound of the waves coming and going. Visualize in your mind the shimmering sea under the evening light. This is your safe place, your space to rest, your setting to awaken the senses. We begin with touch. Imagine you are barefoot on the sand. Feel the fine, soft texture, the warm, pleasant temperature, the gentle sinking of your feet with each step. A soft breeze touches your face. Notice the way it glides across your skin. Fresh, light, present. Now, focus on the sounds. Now, bring your attention to your sense of smell. Imagine the fresh scent of the ocean, that slightly salty, clean, vibrant smell. Take a deep breath. Let this aroma fill your chest and bring a feeling of purity into your body. Each breath deepens your connection with this place. Even with your eyes closed, visualize the scene. The sky painted in shades of orange, pink, and gold. Thin clouds reflecting the light. The glow of the sun touching the sea like a golden path coming toward you. See the colors changing slowly as the sun approaches the horizon. Allow the image to become clearer, more vivid, more real. Now, bring the entire experience into your body. Feel your feet touching the sand, the fresh air on your skin, the sounds filling the environment, the aromas blending with your breath, and the evening light surrounding the whole scene. Your body, your mind, and your senses are working together to create this inner reality. Allow yourself to simply be here. Now, take a deep,
breath, bringing all this sense of calm with you. Once again, inhale and slowly exhale. Begin to notice the environment around you, the weight of your body, the support beneath you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing with you peace, lightness, and presence.